So another topic that is called is na compound data types. That are the four types of compound data types. First one that is called as structure, then union, then enumerations, and last one that is called as type def. So firstly we can see in the first one data structure, that is called is na structure. So structure is a collections of data of different data types. So it is a user defined data type. Data can be of integer, character, float, double, etc. data types. So normally we can access the member of structure by making the variable of structure, and we can be used to the struct keyword is used to create the structure. So each variable in the structure is known as a member of the structure. So unlike an array, a structure can contain the many different types of integer, float, and character, but array is a store only collection of same data type, but structure is a store of different data types. So normally to access the member of structure, use the dot keyword, dot operator. So structure, we use the struct keyword to struct keyword, and then structure name, that is my structure, and then body will be started, and then int main my number, character my letter, then int main function, and structure will be declared as an closing as an curly brace and semicolon, then main function will be started, struct keyword, then structure name, and then create the structure variable of the as structure s1. So my structure is a structure name and s1 is my variable for creating the structure variable. So s1 dot my name is equal to 13, assigning the value to the member of s1, same like that my letter, and then printing the two structure variable, and then close my structure. So output shows as my number is equal to 13 and my letter is equal to b. So normally practically will be work how to be structure. So normally open the one structure file or run the C file and running the structure program. So in that, creating one structure. So before structure will be creating the open struct keyword, then name of struct, that is student, will be used, and then body will be started. In that I am creating the two variables, that is three variables we can use, like name of array size, and then semicolon, after that int roll number, semicolon, and then float is marks, using marks and semicolon. Now in that shows the keyword of structure for creating the variable, student, and then s1 semicolon. Now we use the string copy function for name variable. So strcpy, in that s1 dot name, then in double comma, in double quote abhi, and double quote will be closed and semicolon. And in that you can use the header file or the string. So here I am using the header file as a string. Next one, that is s1 dot roll number is equal to 20 semicolon, s1 dot marks. In that we use the marks like a 85.65 and semicolon. Now printf statement will be used. So double quote student name, is equal to percentage C, sorry, percentage S, because it is used the string. And semicolon, same like a printer. Roll number is equal to percentage D, because we use the integer. Semicolon S1 dot roll number and semicolon, same like that for marks. That is F and slash N, semicolon S1 dot marks and semicolon. Now save it and just run it. What is the issue? Okay, is equal to. So that is my structure program. So next one that is called is na union. So basically also one concept that is called na copy structure. In that, see the struct name my structure, int my name, sorry, my num, and character my letter. Int main function struct my structure S1 and my structure S2, assigning the value to the members of S1, and S1 is called is S1 dot my num is 13 and S1 is dot my letter is B. Printf S1 value is slash n, and also printf my number is percentage D slash n S1 dot my number. Now my letter is equal to percentage C S1 dot my letter. Another one, the copy S2 is equal to S1. So S1 में जो कुछ भी रहेगा वो कहाँ पर कॉपी होगा, आपका S2 वाले वेरिएबल में कॉपी होगा, और S2 के लिए भी सेम आपकी वैल्यू जो आपने S1 के लिए दी है वही आपके S2 के लिए भी वैल्यू प्रिंट करेगी. ये रहेगा मेरा कॉपी स्ट्रक्चर. नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज कॉल्ड इज ना यूनियन. सो यूनियन ऑल्सो called is a collection of different data type. It is the user defined data type, that is can be stored data in a integer, character, float and double data types. So we can access the member of union by making the variable of X structure, and union keyword is used to create the union. So normally note is that is one concept. Union does not support the multiple value simultaneously. It can store the only one value at a time. So keyword is syntax is union name, body will be started, and member definitions in my union. So program for union, that is we can use the union is called is an atom, and it can be used x, y and character, sorry, x, y and ch. Three variables will be declared for integer, float and character data types, and main function will be used the union item variable, member variable, that is creating as an it, and int it is dot x is equal to 12, it y is equal to 20, and it cs is equal to a. So storing only one variable at a time, so it does not store the multiple values simultaneously. That's why we output as an only 12, and other value is called is na garbage value. So in that only 20 value will be correct, and other value is called is na garbage value, because one value, first one, that is x value is also garbage, and the c value is z value is also garbage, ch value also garbage. Here x value is 12, but output as shows in a garbage value. Y is called is a 20, but 20 is correct value, and cs is called in a single character, so output as an a. So in above the program you can see the value of x and y gets the corrupted, and the variable ch printed the expected result. So because in that union memory location share the among the memory data type. So next one, that is in that one change will be program, one change in my program you can be shows output as an structure, you can show output as an all variable, but only union you can be shows only one value will be correct, other value is called is a corrupted value. save it and F9. So in that shows the output for student, and student name and roll number is my corrupted value, and output for correct is in a marks value. So that is my union. Third one, that is called is na key difference in a structure and union. So every member within a structure is assigned a unique memory location, while the union memory location is shared by the all data members. Also, changing the value of data members cannot be affected on the other members in a structure. So normally concept is changing the value of data member will change the value of data member in union. So structure is mainly used for the storing various data types, while union is mainly used for storing the one of many data types. जैसे कि structure का काम होता है कि all data types store कर सकता है many at a same time, but union can be store the many data types only store one value. Next one, that is called is the enumeration. So enumeration as a keyword as an enum, and it is called is the named integer constant. It is also user defined data type, and we use to the enum keyword for the creating the enumeration. So syntax like enum, enum name, and then in that curly brace number of values, and close the curly brace and semicolon. So program will be shows in a before sessions incomplete program will be shows, but in that completely program will be shows like enum level is my enum name, and low, medium and high. Low is assigning the default value 1, and medium high is does not be assigning the default value. So default value as a 0. So int main level is my enum, my where is my variable name, and is equal to assign the medium. So switch my variable case 1 low level, then break the terminate the loop. So terminate the case, then next case will be opening medium value, and case third will be high value, and then last one is you can be also apply the default. So output as my medium level. So program for enum. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You can assign default value as your choice. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So that is my enum. Now in main function, creating the enum member, that is enum object. So week, object, semicolon, obj dot Wednesday. It can be used also in even. So is equal semicolon, and now print. value of Wednesday is equal to percentage D. OBJ semicolon, and save it and just run it. So in that we can use the equals. So in that obj enum, obj is equal to enum, so output as my default value, but directly I am taking the witness day for 40, so that is my enum. You can be remove that value. By default 0 1 value will be shows in programming. If it is removing, then automatically output as a default value, that is 0 1 2 3 4. Save it, run it. So output as by default 0 1 and 2 and 3. So by default Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, and Wednesday is 3. That is my enumeration using for the integer constant. Next one, type def is a keyword that is used to in C programming provide the existing data type within a new name. That means type def is a user defined data type, and we can use the type def keyword for creating the type def. Type def keyword is used to reflect the name, like syntax type def existing name and creating the aliasing name. So type def long 11. So in that example, see the type def integer type def int is my data type, and integer, and then integer c is equal to 10. Print the value of c is called is the percentage d comma c. C value of c is called is 10. That is my user defined data type. That are the 4 user defined data type: structure, union, type def, and enumerations. So it will be completed. So that's all it.